Welcome back, traders and investors, to the Beginner's Guide to Comparison Tools on Barchart.com. In today's video, we'll walk through two powerful features, the Comparison Chart tool and the Stock Comparison page. You'll learn how to compare performance metrics, customize data fields, and create charts that provide deeper market insights. Whether you're analyzing stocks, ETFs, or indices, this video will show you how to unlock insights that matter most to your trading and investing strategies. Let's get started by taking a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. To navigate to the Comparison Chart tool, let's type in the asset name or ticker symbol in the search bar. When you reach the page, click on the Interactive Charts. On this page, you'll see Compare on the toolbar for the charts. This tool allows you to compare the performance of a stock like NVIDIA against an index or other symbols. For example, the stock of a competitor like Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. We can also customize the display as percentage change, actual values, or net change. Select your preference and click Apply. Then we can see the comparison based on percent change here on the right. And if you prefer to compare assets by prices, we can adjust the comparison tool to actual values. Now, we can see the actual price comparison displayed on the chart. We can also adjust where the comparison data appears on the chart. Go back to the comparison tool and click here to change from the main to left pane if you prefer to have the values on the left side of the chart. You can also create a new pane for comparison. This will allow you to see the charts side by side in a new pane below. And to analyze multiple stocks at once, you can type in additional names or symbols and input the ticker or index for comparison. Then select your preference on how you want to compare, and we'll select percent change and click Apply. Here, we can see a full comparison of NVIDIA against other semiconductor stocks by percent change, which helps traders visualize relative performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Now, if you prefer more of a fundamental approach to analysis, let's explore the stock comparison page here. By default, the page shows symbols you selected, along with up to 2 additional symbols in the same sector. This page provides you an in-depth analysis of key metrics, from technical indicators to fundamental ratios, for a side-by-side comparison. You can also add or remove symbols by typing in the name or ticker to focus on the assets that matter most to you. And the real power of this comparison page is the ability to edit the data fields. Select key metrics like market cap, volume, moving averages, profit margins, or historical highs and lows to create a personalized view. And removing a comparison is just as easy. Simply click the X next to the symbol in the chart settings and refresh the list. Finally, you can visualize your selected symbols directly in a comparison chart, making it easier to spot trends and correlations. We can change the bar types to fit our preference, like traditional candles, or switch to a line graph to filter out all the noise. And to add or remove symbols, remember, you can just click on the comparison tool to make any adjustments to start analyzing assets that matter most to you like a pro. So are you ready to elevate your trading game? Barchart's comparison tools are designed to give traders and investors the insight they need to make smarter decisions. Whether you're creating custom comparison charts or analyzing key metrics on the stock comparison page, you now have the tools you need to stay ahead of the market to catch the next wave. And if you learned something new today, give us a like and share the knowledge. Got questions or feedback? We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications for more tips and tutorials on Barchart.com.